What's up, guys? Welcome to the show. My name's Andrew. I'll be your host. Recently I went on a trip to Pennsylvania to a place called Lost Trails. It's an off-road park. Me and my buddies, we pulled out our dirt bikes and went out and had a good time. So I hope you guys liked the video. Stay tuned. I'm gonna roll the footage in. It was a pretty wet and gnarly kind of ride. It's pretty technical, very woodsy for those of you guys who like that kind of stuff. I was more of a I've always ridden a lot more motocross, but I do like the trails. But it was just wet and nasty, very rocky, and a lot of leaves were down since it was the fall time. But I didn't have a ton of footage, but I think I put together a pretty good run of video clips here. So check it out. I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe, or at least tell me, give me some feedback, tell me what you liked about it or what you didn't. But hope you guys enjoy the video. Catch you later.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone.
What's up? All right, just past 6 o'clock on Saturday. Truck's loaded up, bike's all strapped down. We're on the road. We just stopped off, get some gas. We got some cash, and we're on the move. Got some text messages from the guys. They're starting to wake up. I'm a little bit further than them, so I started earlier. But they're up. They're getting going. Place is about 2.5 hours away from me. I'm located in New York. Place is in Pennsylvania, so opens at 9 o'clock. I think we'll be good by the time we get there. I brought myself, got myself some water, some lunch, got all my gear, got all my riding gear. Bike strapped on the back with, what is it, the Harbor Freight motorcycle carrier. So far so good, seems to be working out. I like having the bed enclosed, being able to keep all the gear in the back out of the elements, and the bike strapped to the back makes it real nice and clean. There was another carrier that I was looking at. I forget the name of it off the top of my head. It's some company made in Texas. It's I think it's called like the Moto Jack. I'm sure if you guys Google it, it's about $300 though, but it definitely looks pretty bitchin'. Instead of carrying the bike on like its tires on like a large rack, aluminum rack, where the bike tires kind of sit in the carrier. The other one, the Moto Jack, it actually makes it real nice for one person. Goes into the same thing, goes in the trailer hitch. However, it's like a motorcycle stand where it holds the bike from underneath the frame. And and it lowers down, and then when you put the bike on it, you actually jack the bike up into position and strap it down on that. So it actually seems really sturdy. My brother has it. He says he loves it. But I wasn't, I haven't been riding in 5 years, so if I go more often, definitely an upgrade I think I would do. I just picked this up from Harbor Freight for like I think it was $110 with tax, using the 20% coupon that I have. So far so good. See how long it lasts. I'm sure I can get plenty of use out of it, but so far I like it. Other than that, truck's filled up with gas. I got a gas can halfway filled with for the bike. Bike's tank is full. I had recently just pulled the bike out of storage. I keep it at my parents' house in a back shed. I keep it covered up underneath a bike cover. I had stored that thing for years. Before I did, I changed the oil, changed the transmission fluid, and drained the gas tank. And drain the carburetor. I don't know if I said that. So I pulled it out. I went through the whole thing. I washed it, pulled the bike apart, did the oil, changed the oil, transmission, flushed the radiator, checked the airbox. The airbox was clean. Pulled the valve cover off, checked the valve clearances. They were a little off. Wasn't super crazy, but I wanted them to be in spec since I hadn't ridden the thing in a while. I'm probably gonna be thumping on it today. So pulled the cam out. I had to order some shims, so it took me a day or two. But I got those in spec, buttoned it all back up, put it together, test rode it around the area. So now we're good to go. So bike's up and I'm moving. These guys are here texting me right now, just getting up. All right, everyone's on the road, so it's looking good. I got my coffee here. I'm ready to go. Oh, it's good. Let's see what the GPS says. I have no idea where I'm going. Let's plug this in. Directions and start. Avoiding construction. Construction on a Saturday. 2.5 hours still. 7. It'll be a little later than I expected. A few stops I made.
On the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned. Now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you acting like a fool. I'm on the other side. You're like a full moon, and I'm up all night, howling at you. Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned.
Hey, yo.